Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had a texting through the email.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are back in Southwest Florida here today, as you guys can all see. And in this video I'll be showing you guys the new Twitter code that will give you $150,000 for free, plus a free Mustang GT500. So if you guys don't know how to redeem a code, go on over to the left side of your screen right here, press the settings icon, go into Twitter codes, and the code will be 100 mil. And once you press submit, it will be redeemed. I already redeemed it, but if you guys actually check out the coop right here, spawn this thing in, and as you guys see, here is the GT500. You cannot buy this thing. The only way is to redeem it from the code, but here we go. As you guys see, this thing is really nice. Let me actually modify this thing. I do not like how these rims look. So firstly, we gotta lower this thing. Let's make this thing blue, or let's actually make this thing orange, and then let's for sure change the rims. I think that the Street NT03RR will look nice. Oh my goodness, there we go. Oh my gosh, this thing looks good. As you guys can see, this thing looks really nice. Let's actually check the specs out. So this thing has 625 torque, 760 horsepower. This thing weighs 4,182 pounds. Rear wheel drive. It can carry up to 4 people, and the speed, acceleration, handling is pretty decent compared to the Corvette here. Not as fast, but faster than the M4. I don't know. This thing looks really clean. Oh my goodness, this thing looks clean. This thing also sounds really. Oh my goodness. This thing is crazy. Oops. Bro, I am stuck. Alright, let's go over here. We gotta test the speed of this thing. Oh my goodness, this thing slides. Alright, let's bring this thing right here. Alright, real quick, let's do a speed test. Launch this thing here. Oh my gosh, this thing spins. Alright, this thing is pretty decent. This thing is decently quick. Oh my goodness. But honestly, this thing just looks so clean. I really love how this thing looks. Really clean. This thing gets pretty low. Oops. And this thing actually spins out so easily. Oh my goodness gracious. This thing is pretty low too. And we are stuck. Oh my gosh. Anyways, that is going to be it for this video. This thing is pretty crazy, spins out like crazy, but this thing just looks so nice in these rims right here and this color, beautiful car. But this is gonna be a short one. I just wanted to let you guys know the Twitter code. Stay tuned for a video with the McLaren Speedtail though. Yeah, but yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to claim the Twitter code immediately before it expires. But that will be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Also, I wanted to say thank you so much for 5K subscribers. Thank you to you guys. I now have this YouTuber tag here. Thank you guys all so much. If you guys see me in a public server, don't be scared to, you know, say hi or whatever. If you guys want a screenie, you guys could ask me. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had a texting through the email.